In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort the chart of accounts on QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the steps together in a straightforward, manageable manner, and you'll soon see how easy it is to keep your accounts organized. So grab your computer, settle in, and let's get started. First things first, ensure you're logged into QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, your next move is to navigate to the Transactions tab. To do this, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of your screen. Look for the word Transactions and click on it. This tab is vital because it's the hub for all your financial transactions, giving you access to all the essential data you need to manage effectively. Within the Transactions tab, you'll notice an option labeled Chart of Accounts. This is your destination, so go ahead and click on it. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a comprehensive list that includes all the accounts your organization uses. It's displayed in a neat tabular format, which makes it very user-friendly and straightforward to navigate. Here, you can peruse all your accounts in one place, but you might find the default order doesn't quite meet your preferences or needs. If that's the case, don't worry, there's a simple solution. To sort your accounts alphabetically, hover over to the Name header located at the top of the column. Clicking this header will instantly rearrange your accounts in alphabetical order. This simple action can make a significant difference in how you view and interact with your financial data. It's also worth mentioning that you're not limited to just alphabetical sorting. QuickBooks offers several other sorting options. For instance, if you want to sort your accounts by a different criterion, such as account type, detail type, QuickBooks balance, or even bank balance, you can do so. This flexibility is one of the strengths of QuickBooks Online, as it allows you to tailor your view to suit the specific needs of your business at any given time. By spending a little time organizing your accounts in this way, you will find it much easier to track and manage your business financials. This means fewer headaches and a more efficient workflow, enabling you to focus on other essential aspects of running your business. And there we have it, a simple, efficient method for sorting your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. You're now ready to tackle your accounting tasks with greater order and ease. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips for mastering QuickBooks. Until next time, happy accounting.